So this is our third day of harvest, really our second. Our first day we got about 5 acres done, and maybe 10, I'm not sure. Less than 10 acres, and we got an inch of rain dumped on us, so not sure that really counts as a day of harvest. So technically, I guess today would be our second full day of harvest. Yesterday went pretty decent. Had some issues. Dryer wouldn't transfer once I got the first batch dried down. And then getting ready to put it in continuous, it would not transfer. Had to get that resolved. Had a truck that was dead, wouldn't start. Just typical first day of harvest, trying to get the bugs worked out of everything. So it's kind of good that's behind us. The dryer did run all night last night, which is good. Got the wet holding bin full last night, and the set of wagons and 3 of the semis full. So we didn't get the dryer started as soon as we wanted to yesterday, but it all worked out anyway because we got it all, everything but one semi was full last night. People were tired and ready to go home, so it all worked out. So heading out to the farm now to check the dryer, see how that's going. And we got some foggy, hazy weather that's going to hang around till mid-morning, so it'll be a slow start for us again today. We're going to be one guy down for the day running stuff, so we've got guys that'll come out after work and help. Our day crew, yesterday there was 2 of us that were off work that were out here at the farm, and I can only be out here today, and the other guy had to go back to work. So not sure if we'll move the combine back to the home farm where we're close to the bin, since we're going to be short-staffed, but we may do that. So we'll see how the plan evolves as we get there, and we'll figure out what's going on. So we'll walk over and check the dryer when we get here. If any of you run a Sukup dryer, we run the QuadraTouch Pro software in it. You'll notice we're running in manual. This dryer has had issues running in automatic, and we do have a guy coming today to try and help us get that resolved. So, and if you see our output moisture reading on there, it's running about 1.5 points higher than what it actually is, but we'll go see where it's at. Take 1.5 points off of that, and that's about right where we want to be, so not too bad. Not bad for running it in manual all night. So if your corn going into the dryer is pretty consistent, then you can get by with running it in manual, but we need to get that automatic working. And also we need to get our connectivity to the My Sukup website done so I can monitor it from my phone. We're having issues getting that connected. So. Our bottom light's still on. So that tells us that our wet holding bin's still half full, but we've got a loaded truck sitting there ready to go, so we'll get that going into the wet holding bin. first full day of running this 7250, Case International 7250 combine. And it's got the automation in it where it adjusts on the go. I don't remember the name of it. We can put it down below on this video. Right off the top of my head, I don't remember the name of it, but it's constantly making adjustments as we're going along in the field. And so it seems to be doing a pretty good job, but I'm less than 30 acres in on, or less than 40 of running it. So like I say, it seems to be doing good so far, but I think it's too early to tell. And but I don't know, it seems to be pretty good. You just set the grain type that you're in. So I got it set for corn right now, and it just makes its adjustments on the fly. And you don't like something you see, you kind of hit the box and tell it, hey, you're putting out too much corn on the ground, or too much rotor loss, or whatever, or whether it's acceptable or not. Or anyway, that's how you adjust it in the automatic mode. I'm about full, so my grain cart driver, everybody's back at the vehicle eating supper right now. I'm just trying to keep the combine moving, so I'll have to drive back and unload. But so anyway, real nice combine. It's only got 300 hours on it. When I say we, the farming operation just got it this year. It's not mine. So nice combine to drive. Still got our heads from the previous combine, 12-row corn head and a 35-foot draper head for soybeans. So that's what we do, corn and soybeans. That's it. Austin's got a few cattle that will mow the waterways and bale that for